Apparently, I'm the only person on the internet who wants to maintain a cob oven on the long term. But I'm going to show you anyway what goes into maintaining this thing after 6 years. Let's do it. Alright, let's look at the sad condition of this cob oven. Oh, this erosion. This is a thick mass of cob that I've patched at least 6 times. It erodes down here, I scoop it up, I put it in the wheelbarrow, I reconstitute it with water, clay and sand, and in a minute I'll apply a patch. Just gonna stir this up here a little bit. Alright, just like any other patch job, this has got to be wet or damp. Alright, it rained really heavy this morning, but it still held up, but I'll have to do this all again eventually. This is why this is a never-ending cycle of patching and then letting it weather the weather and then patching it again. That's why most people don't have cob ovens, but I like it. Okay, here's a second layer, and doesn't that look nice?